Our big idea is the environment, mainly because we think that it's something that we can greatly improve where we live. We think that it's very important to have a clean environment around us because it talks good about us to everyone else and it makes you feel better inside and proud where you live. We are currently in a dirty environment and we don't feel proud of where we live and we would like to do something about it and our idea is good and easy to place to start.
Our question: does having trash outside trash cans in your community affect your feelings?
Here are our guiding questions. We cover since how you separate trash, if you separate it, how do you feel, and what's the environment impact, as well as if education has to do about the environment's pollution.
Children in schools do not commonly separate the trash. Most of the time, the education system itself separates the trash itself. If the schools allow so, the kids that do actually want to separate the trash are really scarce. Most of the time the kids will throw the trash in whichever trash bin they see, even though it's the only for a certain material. They would not care and yet throw miscellaneous trash in it.
Not a lot of trash is thrown outside the trash cans. It's mostly the kids just leave the trash wherever they want. So by our idea, they may feel attracted to throw the trash in the trash cans.
Most of the children that reside in a low educational system will not be taught to throw the trash in separate bins. They will just learn the common throw it in a bin rule. In higher education systems, children are taught about the basics of recycling, reusing, and reducing.
In some schools, they do have recycling projects. In the Euro-American School of Monterey, kids take their bottles of water or aluminum cans on Mondays to school and teachers separate them for recycling. Kids are inspired to do this because classrooms with more recycling win a prize.
Teachers always try to teach their students to throw their trash inside the trash can. Most of the times, kids can get warnings or punishments for not throwing the trash where it's supposed to go.
Our examples as grown-ups could help them think of us maybe as role models. Mostly with elementary students, they may copy the things they see grown people do. Also, our idea is to make throwing the trash fun.
We actually think it will work. Kids are always trying to find a way to have more fun and play, and this idea will make them play while they help the ecosystem by throwing their trash. Also, kids, especially boys, are very competitive, so this idea can be seen as a game and could make boys to compete who can get the trash in the trash can.
Yes, we will always accept innovative ideas as long as the objective is something positive and non-harmful to the children or the school.
We will have to see if it works first, but if it does, maybe we will show that people start talking about it, and we can expand it on our schools in the country.
Our challenge: increase the population's habit of throwing trash in the trash can.
Promote the trash separation, plastic, aluminum waste in our community.
Make throwing trash in the trash cans much more attractive for adults and children.
So here is our survey results. As we can see, many people want to see a change in the environment. They are not pleased of the contamination and seeing trash thrown around in the ground. Also, they like our innovative idea that's the trash can that it's interactive with the people. We are pleased with the results and we can see these change the environment and please people. There are enough breaks with recycling already and we could use a different kinds of course on the top of the trash can for different type of trash in order to recycle. The problem is that people who throw the trash on the ground are not in the trash can, but everybody knows that and we think that we should try a different approach to the problem. If we should be one step ahead of the game, then we need to try a different approach to our problem. that is that making a random people pick up the trash that's on the ground,
that they are not responsible of it.
Remember to toss it, and thanks for watching.